Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called, is the string odd or even? It says, given a string, return true if its length is even or false if the length is odd. So as you can see from the examples, the function name odd or even, and we got the string apples. And what's the size of it? So it has 6 characters, so it's going to return true. Pairs has 5 letters, and so 5 is odd, so therefore the program outputs false. And then cherry is even, so it outputs true. So we're going to look at our bool function. Its name is odd or even. As we can see, we have string s. So what we're going to do to see if the string is even or odd, first we're going to initialize int size of string, and we're going to use size. So this right here is going to give us the size of the string s, and we have it in an int, so it's going to be an integer, whatever. It's going to give us the size of the string. So once we have that, if size of string, so again, remember, using the modular function, what we're going to do is see if it's odd or even. So if it's even, there's going to be no remainder. So if size of string mod2 is equal to 0, so basically saying if size of string mod2, there's no remainder, so that's going to be, we're going to return, we're going to return true because it is even. And then if not, then we're just going to put return false. And as you can see, it passed all the tests. And if you want me to continue making videos, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more coding solutions. Thank you.